How do hurricanes get their names? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hurricane naming. Did you know that there's a systematic way to name hurricanes that has evolved over the years? Let's explore how hurricanes get their names and why it matters. The importance of naming hurricanes. Hurricanes are powerful storms that can cause significant destruction. Each year, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, predicts which hurricane seasons will be busier than others. With the 2024 season predicted to be above average, a clear naming system becomes essential. Without names, it would be confusing to keep track of multiple storms simultaneously, especially when they're all developing around the same time. A historical perspective. Before the 1950s, hurricanes were identified solely by the year and the order of their occurrence. For example, the first hurricane of 1930 would simply be called Hurricane 1. This approach had its flaws. It was difficult for meteorologists and the media to keep track of storms. Can you imagine trying to discuss several storms just by their numbered order? It would be a recipe for chaos. Recognizing this challenge, in 1953, the US began using a list of female names arranged alphabetically. This change was made to clarify communication and improve public awareness. It wasn't until 1978 that male names were introduced, leading to the co-ed naming system we use today. The naming list. The current system includes 21 names each year, skipping the letters Q, U, X, Y, and Z. Interestingly, when the Atlantic experiences more than 21 storms in one season, the Greek alphabet steps in to help name those additional storms. This system has enough names to last about 6 years before the list gets recycled. But what happens when a hurricane is particularly deadly or impactful? Those names can be retired. The World Meteorological Organization evaluates the severity of storms and decides if a name should be removed from the list. Names like Andrew, Katrina, Ike, and Sandy serve as reminders of intense storms we'll never forget. The retirement process. The retirement of names happens relatively frequently. From 2015 to 2024, the organization retired at least one storm name each year. It's a somber yet necessary decision, as it helps honor the lives impacted by those storms. When a name is retired, the World Meteorological Organization meets to select a new name to take its place, a thoughtful process that reflects on the impact of that storm. Public insight and engagement. While folks might be curious about suggesting names, the World Meteorological Organization doesn't take public submissions. However, the updated list of names is freely available to see years in advance, ensuring everyone stays informed. It helps people prepare and become more engaged with hurricane preparedness. Fun facts about hurricane naming. Did you know that the naming of hurricanes has roots in folklore and traditional practices? The use of female names started partly because of societal norms at the time, where storms were often viewed as unpredictable and emotional, much like women stereotypically were. Thankfully, society has shifted, and now both male and female names are used equally. In closing, the intricate naming system for hurricanes is crucial not just for communication, but also for raising awareness and preparedness. Understanding how hurricanes get their names allows us to reflect on their histories and the lives affected by them. So, next time there's a hurricane named in the news, you'll know how it got its name and what it represents. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.